loading first thing this morning. It was too dark. We got cloud cover, scattered showers today. So yeah, it was too dark this morning with the cloud cover. So in line here to get in hot top, next to get loaded. Oh, just out of curiosity, I'm on load number 2 of the day for hot top. For let's see, it basically just took one full round to do one pass up through the road. Now we're gonna head back to the other pass. I think we're gonna surface it today. I'm not sure. But anyways, just out of curiosity, I called Napa, my local Napa, for the ABS sensor. If you remember, I got a hold of the dealer that spec'd this truck out, and they sent me the build sheet for this truck, so it gives me a breakdown of just about every part on this truck. Well, called them up and gave them, it's a Vendex speed sensor is what they call it. Called them up, got a price on the speed sensor. It's $50 for a new speed sensor. So I ordered it. It'll be in around 1 o'clock today. Maybe I'll change it tonight and then see if that takes care of the light. Cause I'm not, it's just, there's too many bends and kinks in that wire. It could be a broken wire. I don't see. I didn't see nothing when I took it apart, pulled all the wire out, inspected it, besides those 2 butt connectors you saw. So I'm just gonna replace it and go from there. $50 is cheap enough. But I'm also trying not to turn this truck into a parts cannon as well. Some of you that might watch the live streams or the videos when I was out plowing this winter, this is one of the roads I cut across to go from the driveway I had out in Sabatis over to my parents' old property. This is one of the roads I cut across. Yeah. It's basically where I'm at in line, and it's only basically one round each way, or one load I should say.
Now I gotta sit here and wait. I got like 4 trucks in front of me here. That little truck right there is getting ready to go under. I haven't been throwing you on the up on the headboard like I normally do, because the road we're paving is actually got basically like a canopy, you call it. The tree branches actually reach both sides of the road. Granted, they do have them cut down near the power lines, but I'm not always under a power line, so they actually do drop down enough to where I've been ripping, not just me, but other trucks. We've been getting up in the tree branches there, and they've been snapping off, falling into the body, and they have to dig them out. Yeah, no, this is load number 5 for today. We are done on hot top. Paper broke down. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna change the speed sensor, the ABS sensor, wheel speed sensor, whatever the hell they want to call it. ABS sensor. So we're gonna do that. Cut all the wire ties, pull that one out, all the wiring. The plug is like right here somewhere, right down in here somewhere. I think it's right here. It doesn't feel like the same plug. Other than that feels different. It might be the same. I don't know, but it's warm on that against that motor. I'm gonna pull this one out, and then we'll go from there. I believe I found the problem. That right there is only part of the plug. I'm still trying to fish the rest of it out. I gotta try to blindly cut some wire ties to get the other part of the plug out. Here's the other end of that plug. So there's that end. And then, of course, this is all I did all this right here is what I did yesterday, but there's that part. She's been broke for a while. Now I need to get this piece out, because this is the new one right here. All right, let's get this one out. Get some nice little wires here, wrap around the ABS sensor, wiggle it out. There we go. Let's bring this over to the workbench and match them up. Well, instead of going all the way over there, I decided to do it this way. I'm gonna leave this protective cover over the sensor itself. But we'll go hammer down. You see, there's a repair I did. All I did was take the wire loom off this, put it on this one. But same length. Take that one and that one. Junk. Take this off. I'll bring it back down here. Let's take this. It's gonna be tight to get in. I'm gonna get a small hammer here. We're just gonna gently tap this down in. Actually, where's those pliers at? Right there. Take these pliers and I'll go right there. Gently tap down in. Okay, that's bottomed out. Now what I'm gonna do is just wiggle it back just a hair. That went there, over there, around and up here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in. Oh, I gotta pull the end cap off of this. Oh, I got dielectric grease over there I gotta put on it. They did send me a small packet of dielectric grease. Okay, there's a tab there. Right there, okay. This should doubt it, but let's just check, see if the light goes out. Let the ABS cycle a couple times, cycle the ABS a couple times and see what happens. Okay, my ABS light is right here. Now when I turn the key on, as soon as I turn the key on, instantly the ABS light was on, and then you see the other lights come on around it. Let's see if I turn the key on. I'll tell you if I see a difference or not. Okay, it's on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to finish up putting it together and drive it so it can see that, hey, look, something's fixed. But okay, I'm just gonna finish wire tying this stuff up. Okay, see, it's still on. I'm gonna try to set it up to where you can see if that light goes out when I start getting going. I'm gonna back up a little bit to get outside the building. I don't think it shouldn't shut off. I need to get up to like 15 or 25 mile an hour. Okay, there's that. Let me close the door. Alright. Okay. There's the ABS light right there. Park it. That's my parking brake. ABS. I kind of get you a little in the way, but I'm gonna do what I can to let you see if that light goes out. Light didn't go out that time on that route. That bites. Now, immediately on. What is going on that front wheel? All right, so that sensor didn't fix it. It's going to be somewhere in the wiring in the truck. God, I hope not. That's going to be a pain to chase down. But nothing I can do about it. So, yeah, we'll end it here. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.